In this video, I want to show you guys this simple accessory that I think has a lot of uses in your EMT conduit builds. And what this is from a company called Uniclamp, and this is a glass reinforced nylon, really just piece of plastic here that is used in commercial applications. They design it for plumbing or really any situation that you need to mount pipes to a flat surface. And essentially, you can put anything from a 3/8 inch diameter up to a 5-inch diameter, and it's just made to kind of sit in this V groove here. And on the opposite side, you've got this mounting point, so you can mount it to a flat surface with a bolt or even the Hilti system, which I guess is something that's used a lot in the commercial applications. But what's really cool is it also has this kind of open channel all the way from one side to the other that you can use with zip ties. So you just put the zip tie through, secure the clamp to it, and this is really cool because then you have this side that you can mount to the wall using the bolts or with the Hilti, or even they've talked about doing that with flanges as well. Just kind of the standard flange which we've talked about for using with conduit builds before, but this is really made so you can ceiling mount tubes and pipes using this flange here that has this long piece of all thread that goes up, and then essentially they talk about using this as an extension for mounting the tubes to a flat surface. And then you have this V groove the same way that you can then use the zip tie channels to secure that there, which is really cool. And so this got us thinking, of course, we're always on the lookout for using accessories with EMT conduit and the connectors that we manufacture for building things with conduit. So we started looking at different solutions. And something that they actually advertise that you can use this to create kind of a spacer between two tubes. So you can use the zip tie, secure it together, and then you've got the spot where you would put two tubes, and you could do kind of a parallel clamp between two, or if you use a bolt, then you can bolt two together like this, and you could do a parallel clamp, or you could turn it around and then do kind of a crossover situation like that. Of course, you want to tighten it, but then you could also kind of rotate that around and then tighten it, and then you've got kind of another crossover that kind of goes in different directions. So that's really cool, something they advertise that you could use in your builds. And because this has this opening or this groove for 3/8 inch up to 5-inch, all the sizes that we make connectors for, 3/4 inch trade size is the most popular, but we also see builders use 1/2 inch EMT or 1 inch EMT. You could kind of use this with different tubes. Of course, I've got two 3/4 inch pieces here, but you could use a piece of PVC if you wanted to incorporate that into your build, or other sizes of EMT. I think you can use this in that way, and that would be really cool. And then we also were just kind of exploring other things, such as just the kind of standard use, which is the bolt going through, and then you could secure that to a wall, just kind of how you're supposed to with the conduit. But because this opening in here is just about the perfect size for 3/4 inch trade size EMT, I kind of just drove this in. It was a pretty tight fit, but didn't have to do anything too crazy. Didn't even have to use a hammer, just kind of put it on there and then just kind of drove it with a flat surface. And this is really snug on there, and you could use this kind of simply as a foot, even kind of use it as a leg if you want to put a flat surface on top. But we thought combining EMT conduit with the way that it's kind of meant to be used, you could just have the bolt going all the way through and then secure that into the threaded pipe inserts that we talk a lot about on the channel, where you just kind of drive that into the end of a piece of conduit, and then it kind of creates this threaded mounting point. So you could do that and then drive this all the way in, and kind of the opposite of how it's normally used to mount to a flat surface. Now you have the ability to have this vertical or this piece of conduit coming in, and then you can mount another piece of conduit with a zip tie and secure that there and kind of make this T connection, or use it for all kinds of creative stuff in your builds, I'm sure. And so that's really cool. And another way that they designed it kind of be used out of the box is you can get a version of this. This is just the VBAT version. They have another version that has an extra piece on here that you can actually mount this to Unistrut, which is really any strut system, which is really cool because we've talked about that on the channel in the past, because conduit and strut can be used together. It's commonly used in commercial applications, and so it would allow you to secure your conduit easily with a zip tie to the strut systems in your builds if you're doing that solution. So I think that's cool. So it's a pretty simple accessory, like I said, used in commercial applications, but I think it could be really useful for your conduit builds. It's a little expensive. It's around like $3 or so, and you have to buy bulk packs, so that's something to keep in mind, but could be useful for your builds. If you think so, let me know down in the comments what you might use it for, and I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.